In today's video, we're gonna be making some white chicken chili, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna prep our ingredients, and we're gonna start with the onion. If you have a food chopper, you can go ahead and use that, and it makes your life so much easier. Skin off of 5 garlic cloves. Use your food chopper to mince your garlic cloves. The spiciest part of the jalapeno is the insides. So if you don't want it spicy, then take out the insides of the jalapeno. Dice your jalapenos. Repeat the same steps with the poblano pepper. Grate 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. When you get down to the end of your cheese, just eat it. We're gonna spatchcock our chicken and fully remove our backbone. Once you've removed the backbone, discard and take out all of your insides. Flip your chicken over and lay it flat. Add olive oil as a binder for your spices. Generously add your rub to your chicken. Repeat the process on the other side. Here's a pro tip. Use a charcoal chimney starter instead of lighter fluid. It's so much better. Soak your wood chips in some water, then put it on your charcoal. On the PK, you want to keep it up to 300 degrees. Close this vent and open this vent. The vent's on the bottom, this side's open, and this side is closed. Make sure you're still having a smoke production. If it slows down, then add some more wood chips. Let's go ahead and start making our chili. Add half a stick of butter into a Dutch oven. Add in your onions and your peppers. We're only softening our onions and peppers, we're not caramelizing. Once your onions and peppers have softened, add in your garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of your chili seasoning. Add 32 ounces of chicken broth. Add in 1 can of cream of chicken. Add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1 block of cream cheese. Add in some Monterey Jack cheese. Add in 2 cans of light beans of your choice. Stir in authentic New Mexico green chilies. Add some salt and pepper for some taste. Once your chicken is done, debone, pull, and then add to the chili. Now it's time to test the taste to your likings. That's just right. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, and now we wait. For 10 minutes, use a ladle and serve into a bowl. Now it's time to enjoy. That's how you make some white chicken chili.